Hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video for my addicted blogging channel. So music is an important aspect in today's world, and this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini has a music player built into it. So we will see some of the tips related to the music player in Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. We will see the controls of the music player. We will also see whether Alexa is able to play the music for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini or not. Also there will be some tricks related to the music player, and also we will see whether the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini music player supports all the major music services out there. So this will be a sick video guys as always, and if you are taking enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So let's start. So first thing first, this is the music player you will get with the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. It looks really good. In the watch you can control some things like the volume up there. So if you click on here, the volume will be increased, and if you click in the left hand side, the volume will decrease. You can also fast forward the tracks like this and play on the music services up there. So I am using right now the Spotify, and you can see if I click on the fast forward, the music is changing in here, and also you can pause the music, you can play the music, you can do all those things. So it's really easy to control the music with this watch. So first of all, you can see to activate the music player, I have to swipe right a lot of times here, but you can definitely make it on the first preference app by swiping right, and the music player should be in here. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to come to the settings of this watch. Once you come to the settings, you have to go to the preferences up there, and once you go to the preference, there you will get the shortcut apps. So this is the thing you need to change guys to make the music player available at your fingertips. So what you need to do is you need to scroll down and see where is the music is. You have to just tap it so that it can go to the top of the list here. So just tap and make it to the top one by one. So you can see now the music player is on the top of the list here, and once you have done that, you need to press this button. There is no need to save anything, and you need to go to the home screen of this watch. So once you are in the home screen, you can see that if I swipe right, the music player will be available right here at your fingertips. So this is the thing you can do if you want the music player with the right swipe. Also you can place a shortcut to the music player. It's really easy. Again same, you need to go to the preference by going to the settings, and once you go to the preferences, there will be an option to set press and hold the button. So here you can select the music player so that you can access the music right away with the hold of this button. So if I come to the home screen, if I press and hold this button, you can see that the music player will be activating right now, and the music player has been activated. So these are the things you can do to access the music as a shortcut in your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Second, we will see whether Alexa command is working or not to start a music from this watch. It's told that the Alexa has been updated in the last update for this watch. So let's see whether the command is working or not. Alexa, play some music. So you can see that right now the music and radio playback are not supported on the device. So still now the music services are not supported on the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini if you access them via Alexa. So this you need to keep in mind. Alexa can only control the smart home device. So if you have a Alexa Echo device in your home, then definitely you can control the music from your watch. Now we will see what are the music services that are supported with this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Music services like Spotify, Play Music, Amazon Prime Music, and other music services like the YouTube Music, YouTube videos also we will check, and also we will check whether the browser playback is supported by this player or not in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So let's start with the first option, that is the Spotify. Definitely people listen a lot of music today in Spotify. So let's see it is working or not. So I will be playing some non-copyright music on Spotify. You can see the music is playing. I have just lowered the volume up there. I will put the volume up from the watch. So you can see the volume controls are working fine with the Spotify app, and also if I want to go to the next track I can do it. So you can see the next track is working fine, also the pause and play are working fine. So Spotify music is working fine with the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So now I will say with the other music services which are common nowadays, like the Amazon Music, also the Reso and the Wink Music and Ghana, all are supporting great in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. I have no issues with playing music from these services. These services are supported and you can fast forward to the basic control on the music player of this watch. So now let's see something really different. So we will start in YouTube video and we'll check whether it is able to control the YouTube video, also whether it is able to lower the volume or not in the YouTube video. So let's check that. So I have started a no copyright music in the YouTube music player, and you can see the music name is showing on my Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. Music is playing fine. Let's see the volume controls are working now or not. Volume controls are working fine. Let's see the pause and play is working or not. It is working fine. Let's see the ultimate thing, that is the next track or previous track is working or not. So next track is also working fine in the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. You can see it is showing the musical track also, and also the video up here, which is great. So if you want to control the YouTube video with this watch, you can do that. So now we will see whether the browser music player is supported or not. A lot of times what happens is people will listen to music from browser like the SoundCloud and the 7, and they want to control the music via watch. So this will be a tough test for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, whether it will be able to control the music or not. Let's see that. So I will be playing a random music in the browser from geo7.com. So let's play the music. So you can see I have started the music on my browser, and you can see the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is able to detect the music it is playing. Here you can see it is playing something called Amazing, and it is showing the music name. So let's see whether all the controls are working or not. Everything is working fine, it seems. So volume controls are working fine. Let's see the next track or previous track is working or not. So you can see the next and previous track is also working fine if I'm playing music via the browser, which is really great that Amazfit GTS 2 Mini is able to detect the browser music also of your phone. So if you are into listening music and you want to control music on your browser or any other music services, all the music services are supported now. I have checked with major music platforms and services like SoundCloud, Spotify, every other music service has been supported. So there are no issues with the music player of the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. But there is one drawback, guys. If you want to fast forward or rewind the music in your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, that you cannot do. It only supports the next track and the previous track. You cannot fast forward the music which will be playing on your phone or other devices, which is a bit of a letdown if you want to control the music. But major controls are there and you can control the music via this watch, which is really great. So if you want to buy the watch for the music services it offers, and if you want to control the music with your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini, you can do that definitely with this watch. So that's it, guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.